This is the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and based on the official wallpapers that just leaked, these might be the official colors we're actually gonna see when this thing drops. Pretty clean, not gonna lie. Now, the FCC just certified the S26 Ultra with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. And based on the leaked model numbers, it looks like Samsung's going Snapdragon globally for the Ultra. But here's the weird part. The regular S26 and S26 Plus are getting Snapdragon everywhere on Earth, except South Korea. Samsung's own backyard is getting the Exynos 2600 instead. That's insane. That's like Apple selling different iPhones in Cupertino. I don't get it, but here we are. Now let's talk about what else is new here, starting with charging. Samsung is finally, and I mean finally, putting 60-watt fast charging in the S26 Ultra, upgraded from 45-watt in previous generations. Now look, Chinese phones have had this for literally half a decade at this point. But sure, Samsung, take your time, no rush. And the wireless charging situation is actually getting way better. The S26 Ultra is jumping to 25 watts wireless. The regular S26 and S26 Plus are hitting 20 watts, thanks to the new Qi 2 standard. Now here's where things get interesting. The S26 series is rumored to have actual built-in magnets for Qi 2. Not this half-baked, just buy a magnetic case nonsense like the S25. Samsung's supposedly going all in this time. But, because there's always a but with Samsung, you'll still need magnetic cases to actually use it properly. So they're giving you the feature, but you gotta pay extra to unlock it. Cool, love that for us. And speaking of cases, Samsung's releasing a whole lineup of magnetic accessories. Magnetic carbon cases, clear cases, silicone cases in black or gray, even a dual magnetic ring holder. Basically, Samsung looked at Apple's MagSafe ecosystem from 2020 and said, yeah, we should probably do that. Better late than never, I guess? Oh, and they're making a 5,000 milliamp hour magnetic power bank that honestly looks kinda janky. It's got these weird cutouts above the coil, probably to avoid their camera bump. But I don't know, man, it just looks off. Honestly, the S26 Ultra is shaping up pretty solid. Color me cautiously optimistic. If this was helpful, hit the like button, subscribe if you're not already, and leave a comment. Are you hyped for the S26 Ultra or nah? Alright, that's it. I'm out. Peace.